How to make $200 per month from Google Maps. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to explain a method to generate from $200 to $2,000 per month, and you won't need any skill. You will only need to find small business owners that need help with bad reviews and ranking in the search, and for that we are going to use Google Maps. Then you will go to fiverr.com to hire a freelancer to deliver the service instead of you. So here I'm going to take you in a step-by-step tutorial on how you can apply on how you can make money with this method. So open your favorite browser, then go to Google Maps and wait for it to load. Then go to the search of Google Maps and type the United States. Here, click on search and wait for it to load. This is the country we are going to target in today's explanation. Let's put it in the center and let's zoom in on the states here. Let's choose a city or a state. Let's choose, for example, here we can choose Boston. So here let's zoom in on Boston, and here zoom in, and let's go again to the search. Here let's go to the search and you can type whatever kind of small business you'd like to search for. So for example, you can search for plumbers or gyms, but before that I'm going to talk about the three main services that we are going to offer the business owners. So the first service we are going to offer them is the website creation. So we are going to see if they have a website. If not, we are going to offer to create a website for them, and if they have one, we are going to check if the website is up to date. If not, we are going to offer to renovate the website for them. And the third service we are going to offer them is the bad reviews removing. So we are going to check their profile in Google Maps to see if they have any bad reviews, and then we are going to offer to remove them for them. And the third service is the social media accounts management. So we're going to see or offer them to manage their social media accounts or even run advertisements for them. So here let's start with the plumber's business. So here go with plumber and click on search to see all of the available plumbers in this area. So here you can see that we have a lot of plumbers profiles and a lot of results, and I'm going to show you how you can choose the small businesses with the highest rate of answering to our messages and the highest rate of hiring us or paying us to deliver services for them. So the first thing I want you to pay attention to is the sponsor that would be written in their profile. So make sure to avoid the ones with a sponsor written in this place, and also make sure to avoid the profiles with more than 150 reviews. So for example, this one here, South End Plumbing, is the perfect prospect for us. So here let's click on their profile, and here let's scroll down to see if they have a website. So let's open their website and let's see if their website is up to date or not. And here you will see that their website is very old. Just from the colors and everything, you will see that this website is very old. It's from 2012. As you can see, 2012. That is a very old website. So we are going to offer them to create another website for them, and that's the first service you are going to offer them. And here let's scroll down to see their reviews. So here from the review summary, you will notice that they have some bad reviews, and that's good. We can use those in order to convince them to purchase our services. So let's scroll down. We have here a 5-star review, another 5-star. So we are looking for the 1-star reviews and the 2-star reviews. So here let's scroll down again until we find the bad reviews we are looking for. Here let's scroll down. 5 stars, 5 stars. We are looking for the 1-star and the 2-star reviews, because you can take a screenshot of those, or you can just copy them, or you can just talk about them when you call the business owner, in order to make them know the negativities that came with these bad reviews, how they can destroy their reputation, how they can give them bad reputation in the market, and also how those bad reviews can take away future clients for them. So here let's scroll down, and here it is. We have our first 1-star review. I spoke to Wayne about a non-functioning gas oven. He asked how long my tube drain had been slow. I again explained the problem with the oven. He asked how many units were in the building and where the water shut-off switch was located. This went on for several minutes, interrupted only by his long-winded explanation of the change in design of gas stoves over the past 30 years. Wayne was very confused. I will look elsewhere. And here we have the response from the owner. Mr. Freddie Mac, nice alias, reminds me of Fannie Mae and both government mortgage programs. If what you say is accurate, I would have looked elsewhere as well. If what you say is true, you have my most sincerest apologies. The fact is, I have no recollection of this exchange. Best regards to you, sir. Sincerely, Wayne D. So here the owner is claiming that this is a false accusation, and it's also a false nickname. It's not even the real name of the client. But even though all of that, it's still a bad review, and you still have to remove that. So as I said in the beginning, guys, you won't need to learn any skill or to deliver any service yourself. You'll just get this client to pay you, for example, $100 to remove the bad reviews that they have, and then you'll go to Fiverr.com. So here you'll go to Fiverr.com and wait for it to load. Then you can find freelancers that you can hire for only $25 to remove the bad reviews instead of you doing it. For example, like this one, you will be paying him $25 to remove the bad reviews, and you will be left with the rest of what you got paid from the business owners. And that's it, guys, for today's video and today's method. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.